4. Mrs. Day's garden.
Mr. Gray is a farmer. There are cows, sheep, goats, ducks, and chickens on his farm. There's a dog, too. Mrs. Day lives next to Mr. Gray's farm. There are potatoes, onions, beans, peas, and 2 pear trees in her garden. Mr. Gray is going to the town now. He's going in his truck. Mrs. Day is going to the shops. She's going on the bus. Oh dear! Mr. Gray's farm gate is open. Oh dear! Mrs. Day's garden gate is open too. Look at the cows and sheep. Look at the goats and ducks and chickens. They're running and jumping in Mrs. Day's garden. They're eating her potatoes and her onions and peas. They're eating her beans and the pears in her trees. They're wearing her hats and her t-shirts and shirts. They're wearing her dresses and sweaters and skirts. But look, here's Mrs. Day. She's coming home from the shops. Mr. Gray's coming home too. I'm very angry, says Mrs. Day. Look at my clothes and look at my trees. I'm very sorry, says Mr. Gray. Would you like to have dinner with me?